Hi, and welcome to the Account User Management video for administrators. We will be reviewing how to add and remove users, search through users and products, and how to edit users' permissions of products. All of these actions can be done in one easy-to-use place, your Autodesk account. Let's jump right in. So go ahead and sign in here. After doing so, make sure to go to the Management tab, and then click Users. For your personal preference, there are two views available, the Product View and the User View. The Product View is for those who want to manage users by products. In this view, you can easily see unused seats and quickly fill them to make sure that you're getting the most use out of your purchased products. The User View is a clear way to manage users, as they are all listed for you to assign products to. These two views also have two available layouts that you can toggle here. No matter your preference in seeing users and products, there is a layout for you. To add a user, click the Add User icon and enter the user's first and last name followed by email address using the format first name, last name, email address. Separate multiple users with a semicolon. Then just click Send Invite. It's as simple as that. You can also add users in the Product View using the exact same process. It's up to you which view makes more sense to add users in. The added users will get an email that looks like this, which will prompt them to accept your invite. New users can set up their account right then and there. Existing users will get a notification that they have access to a new product. New users' names will appear as pending in your account so you can be up to date with their status. Existing users will appear as active instead of pending. After they accept, they have instant access to products. If you want to find a certain product or user in a long list of items, you can use the magnifying glass to search for who or what you need. This capability allows you to make changes to users' access without having to scroll through a long list. For users, as you can see, you can search by first name, last name, or email address. For products, search by title. Just start typing, and the account will start searching for you. Now I'll show you how you can assign a user a product.
All you have to do is check the box of the product you want them to be assigned. Just uncheck the box if you ever want to unassign them. Once you assign a user a product, they get automatic support and cloud services, and you can turn off their cloud services anytime you want.
Next, I'll show you how to edit permissions of a user. If you wish to make a user a secondary administrator or vice versa, all you have to do is click this box here and choose from the options. Now I'll show you how to delete a user. All you have to do is scroll over their name to see the trash can and confirm yes that you want to delete them. This delete user capability is useful if, for example, you have an intern for a limited amount of time. Once they're finished using the software, all you have to do is delete them right here in your account. Managing users is really that easy. Let's review. You can add and remove users in either the products or user view, whichever makes the most sense for you, and you can search for users or products just by typing in a name, title, or email address. You can assign a user product just by clicking on their name and checking a box. You can update their permissions right over here to the left. For more information, go over to autodesk.com/support.